Today, I'm going to show you how to make homemade sausages. In this video, I'll show you how to make 3 delicious types of sausages from scratch: beef, chicken, and pork. I guarantee once you try them, you'll never want store-bought sausages again. Simply follow these steps. How to make beef sausages. You will need beef sausages, insert into your sausage casing. Perfect. How to make chicken sausages. You will need chicken sausages, insert into your sausage casing. Perfect. How to make pork sausages. You will need pork sausages, insert into your sausage casing. Now it's time to cook all the sausages. Place down a pan onto the stove. Add oil. Turn on medium heat. Spread the oil around, ensuring it evenly coats the surface. Wait for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is heated up, carefully place down the sausage. Make sure you're flipping the sausages regularly so they don't burn and cook evenly all the way through. That sausage is cooked to perfection. Remove from heat, then proceed to cook the other sausages. Oh wow, they are looking so good. That sausage is cooked to perfection. Make sure you're flipping the sausages regularly so they don't burn and cook evenly all the way through. Perfect. Remove from heat. And that's it. Perfectly cooked homemade sausages. Juicy, flavor-packed, and cooked evenly all the way through. Enjoy!